A sketch shows the idea, but a factory needs precise instructions to make it.
A specification sheet converts a fashion concept into clear technical production information.
The buyer issues it to the manufacturers for creating accurate garments in bulk.
It brings garment information, sketches, measurements, materials, construction, branding, and packaging together. Garment information identifies the style and keeps every production document connected. Technical sketches show the garment clearly, without the ambiguity of artistic illustrations. Measurements define the product dimensions and guide fit, pattern development, and checking. Construction details explain how the garment must be assembled during production. Materials and trims specify every fabric and trims required in the garment. Color and print details communicate the required appearance of the finished garment.
Labeling and branding instructions define where product identity must appear.
Packaging instructions control how the garment is prepared for delivery. Special instructions capture requirements that do not fit into the standard sections. Once interpreted, the specification sheet becomes the starting point for production planning.
Thank you for watching. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with more informative videos about the fashion industry. Also, comment below what you would like to see next.